I think, yes, think lots of Indian have to mention in hearing matter, group 6 hearing pending non-time and solve the matter is hearing ready.
You have solved the copy to the other side.
My lord.
Lordships, may I have to mention one matter?
Yes.
The matter is of CRR 100 is urgent motion. I have sub the copy to the other side also.
Urgent motion.
Yes.
I have no definition of motion.
No, it was first in the learned Poshak Devangshu. The order is there. Let's see at the listed.
What is the stage of the proceeding?
The
Motion
Devangshu Poshak,
stage?
Justice Devangshu Poshak has said that matters will be listed on November, but this.
It was not listed.
No,
Why? It should have been listed.
but not listed.
And before the other bench, because I have no determination of motion stage.
What's the mention matter? Restoration.
Restoration of?
Non-affair for
Lordship, I'm maintaining upon service loss.
Have you solved the copy? Have you solved the copy to the other side? You solve and then mention. Yes.
Lordship, I'm maintaining upon service.
Original side. Yes, what is the stage now?
I'm led by Mr. Bennett. I'm so sorry, Mulot. Today, Mulot, I'm on the virtual platform. I'm so sorry. Mulot, yes, Mulot, now, Mulot, with the orders, Mulot, the conveyance has been executed. It's been registered. Yes, Mulot. It's been registered as well, Mulot, now.
Any report has been submitted? Any report has been submitted by the report? So there is no problem with regard to the plan or anything else.
No problem, Mulot. It's now been registered and Mulot executed. Stamp duty has been paid, Mulot. We paid in excess, Mulot, or in just what stamp duty was, Mulot, 10 crores. We paid that and Mulot, it's been now.
Submitted by the learned counsel, Mr. Banerjee, senior counsel, that
With Mr. Banerjee, may indicate yes. Contempt matter is also there in the list.
Yes, 4 item calling. So that should be also continue or
no, Mulot, that should be continued, Mulot. If they have Mulot committed contempt, Mulot, perhaps that will have to be examined because Mulot, they're still going.
Would you like letters. Your purpose has been served. Would you like to continue?
Mulot, only thing is, Mulot, there were Mulot acts of contempt which has been committed. That's the only reason.
So you serve the copy to the contempt.
Very well, we'll do that.
We'll serve.
4.
Would it be my lord's pleasure to issue rule as well, so that
no, not now. Let's come.
No, let's yes, Mulot, we'll come back. Can you Mulot put it after Mulot 2 or 3 weeks, Mulot, we'll come back up. We'll serve on them 2 weeks or 3 weeks, Mulot, whatever is convenient.
Let the copy of
we may require a supplementary affidavit to be filed to bring on record. There are 8 other objections that they have filed subsequently. My lord, here we had indicated 6
No,
objections.
which case you will file?
The contempt matter, my lord.
Contempt application, they have filed 8 applications
8 other objections. My lord, the main issue was that they
without serving copy.
no, my lord, they have served copy. They have all been disposed of. Since, my lord, we have filed this contempt in respect
My
of
lord.
my lord,
No, that is the reference. That is not objection. That is reference
the reference.
made before the registrar.
Yes, objections to that reference, my lord. They kept on filing, my lord, those objections. Further objections were filed.
I do not concern about those. That is matter relating to
My lord,
registrar.
we'll put that in the reply, my lord. We'll put that in the reply. My lord, let us serve.
My lord,
My lord has kept it, my lord, on
On 4th February. You serve and
4th February. Very well.
affidavit of service we file on the agenda.
Grateful, my lord. Grateful.
Appearance, please give the appearance.
For judgment, item number 1.
Lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
CRR 925 of 2018 is dismissed. Connected application, if any, is also thus disposed of. Impugned order passed by the trial court is hereby affirmed.
Grateful, my lord. Grateful.
Next, dismissed.
Item number 2.
CRR 2012 of 2018 is allowed. Connected application, if any, are also thus disposed of. Proceeding pending before the learned 5th Judicial Magistrate, Alipur, South Choice Pargana, is hereby quashed insofar as the petitioners are concerned.
Item number 3.
statement.
I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
CRR 240 of 2024 is thus dismissed. Connected application, if any, are also thus disposed of. Dismissed. Put that.
Item number 4.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. Your lordship pass an order directing the register administration to file a report. My lord, that has been the reconstruction, my lord.
Where is the report? Huh? Where is the report? Report কোথায় আছে? ফ্ল্যাগ বি কোথায় আছে? ফ্ল্যাগ বি, ফ্ল্যাগ বি কোথায় আছে? After registrar order, when the matter was placed and which court?
In courtroom number 7. I have mentioned the matter.
What was the direction?
No, there is no direction, my lord. I have made a complaint for not getting the file. After that, the department,
Thereafter, you have taken steps for reconstruction of the file.
my lord, the department asked me over telephone to submit all the record which I have in with me. And I have submitted all record and I have endorsed to that effect.
Who is other side?
My lord, Topon Shield is appearing. I have,
Sub copy.
my lord,
to them.
he has the copies.
No,
The
no.
affidavit has been exchanged, my lord.
Both must come before the court or the registrar. Then it will be decided whether the document supplied by you is genuine or not, or
My
that
lord,
is the part of the record
my
or
lord,
not.
before mentioning also, I have
Any order you have annexed with those documents?
No, my lord.
No, so
Be-
not a single order
No,
you
no,
have
my lord.
collected.
No, because the
So what
depart
is the what was the stage of the
after making the complaint before the learned
no, what
registrar,
was the stage of the proceeding?
my lord, the proceeding for hearing, my lord, the affidavit has been exchanged between us
So those affidavits has been exchanged between the parties.
parties,
That was filed before the court.
my lord.
Everything
No,
lost.
reply is with me.
Eh?
Reply with me that I will file, and the
What is the procedure for reconstruction of the
my lord, those document was filed before the court. Only those document to be deposited before the department. The department asked me over phone to submit all the document
you
which,
have submitted?
my lord,
So thereafter what happened?
thereafter, my lord, I have mentioned because they have said the record is, my lord, ready for hearing.
1 minute. Let me.
এই ফাইলে এপিডেভিটের অর্ডার হয়েছিল, সেই কপি আমার কাছে কোথায় থাকবে? আমি কোথা থেকে পাবো? সেটা আগে হয়েছিল একটা চেঞ্জ ব্রিফ আমার কাছে।
A report has been submitted before the registrar administration for taking appropriate steps to reconstruct the file. So there was no any order passed by the registrar administration. No approval was given.
That I cannot say, my lord.
So how you have supplied the
My
copy
lord, the
without approval?
But the department over telephone requested me to submit all the document. I have submitted all the document. And after checking the file is ready for hearing, I have mentioned the matter before courtroom number 7. The matter was also listed but could not be taken up, my lord. Thereafter, your lordship determination come, I have mentioned only required for regularization.
to take necessary steps for a reconstruction of the file in accordance with law. First of all, he has to ascertain whether file has been traced out or not. Thereafter, he will approve.
My lord.
Until and unless it would be
My
approved
lord,
by
that
the,
has I have been told before the department, but department said they have the order. I cannot check the file. I have also only submitted
go
that.
through the order.
Only
Go through
regularization.
the order and assist the registrar.
Deeply.
There must be a report that there is no possibility of tracing out or recovery of file. So at least that report should be placed before the court.
That is true.
Otherwise, how court can allow for reconstruction of the file? That should be traced out.
My lord,
Otherwise, similar thing happen.
My lord. Deeply.
Yeah, check that. Correction আছে। 4304 actually.
I am appealing for the applicant.
Some case number has been wrongly recorded.
Case number?
Uh,
In this matter, learned advocate general is leading me. That is.
Not pass over then in that case, because he will be coming. He told me he will be coming.
Let it be.
Let it be
Passed over.
passed over.
this is matter relating to
My lord,
For
in fact,
implement,
in-
এক minute বলো না. For implementation of the order of injunction by police head. এইটা একটু
okay, pass over.
একটু পুরো।
every year one after another application is
Maybe.
going to.
Because
Depending on
continuous violation. That is why.
The writ petition to be heard.
No, that is another
Petition is
issue.
another-
That does not mean that he will violate the court's order.
For if it is violated, then he is not remediless. He can file an application for contempt.
There is no application filed
No,
for non.
No application is required to be filed. Because that the judgment, your lordship knows that judgment, Justice Murari Mohan Datta presided by the division bench, Melody in 1986,
I have to
Calcutta.
see whether
Page
violation or not.
220. Whether it is violated or not. If it is
Violated or not.
violated, then court will direct.
question comes, Millard, whether he has any right.
Yes,
That
I
right-
here, I will here, pass over. Next. Who is appearing for the petitioner?
My lord, I beg to appear for the petitioners, my lord. 32. 12. Item 12, my lord.
No affidavit in opposition filed.
My lord, yet
No
we have not
opposition
received.
file, no reply.
No, my lord.
Who is appearing for the state?
Say no import. Kept in our pocket. We show it.
But the report shows that no affidavit.
That's what is your file and they find it in the record by law. That is the reason they say. Department, when usually.
You have not filed in the court.
I have right now filing in
Right?
court.
That's why I am asking you. The affidavit has not been filed.
My friend is concerned, I have already
Stop.
So far, my lord, the service is concerned, my lord, that was effected upon one Pia Paul clerk, my lord, on behalf of me, my lord. So, my lord, if another copy may be, my lord, served upon me.
So,
That was served upon one of the clerk, my lord.
so clerk has not hand over your
No,
copy.
my lord. Yeah, Pia Paul to me.
So how you can receive?
That has not been, my lord. handed over.
Can you supply?
I can give it.
Well, lords.
Would you like to file reply?
My lord, one reply is required, my lord, because my lord, during pending.
Original affidavit in opposition. Yes.
This is an requisition ready for hearing. Pleadings have been exchanged. Affidavits have been exchanged. My lord, the requisition, my lord, involves, my lord, substantial questions of law, questions of, my lord, public importance, having regard to the fact that it involves interpretation of Southeast Asian free trade agreement and the consequence and the binding effect of the clauses in the agreement. So far as the, my lord, the nations are concerned, it involves, my lord,
For the respondents.
my lord, for customs and DRI.
So all these matters are relating to
Identical matter, same matter, same matter. One party is the company, the other parties are obviously the officers of the company or the directors of the company.
custom authority, DRI authority.
Yes, madam.
Authorities.
Yes, madam. The pleadings have been exchanged.
So can you inform the other side to
We will try, madam.
fix another date?
Madam, kindly keep it on someday. In the meantime, we will.
Non appears on behalf of the respondent.
আমারও হবে তোমারও হবে। Item number 22.
I'm for the petition.
I'm for the respondent.
My line, no mine.
Yes.
There is a direction passed by the earlier bench for production of the records.
Production of
Records
record.
by the respondent. And my lord, we had an option to look into the records. Because
not there in the order.
no, I'm not saying. I have an option to look into the records because one document will clinch the issue. That document will be on the record. That I want to produce. Can he give us leave with my learned friend? In his presence, we will inspect the records and the following day we will make our service.
What is the matter about?
But a service matter.
Service relating to?
Relating to a commandant who there is an allegation of sexual harassment.
Okay.
Both the authorities may not exonerate him. The third authority, without any, according to us, without any power under him, he is proceeded against him. Dismiss him for this.
So which document would you like to?
There is a note. There will be a note under the law that is requires to be decided by a DSFC code. That power is not automatic. It has to be because two authority, like trial court, appeal court, then SLP. Trial court, appeal court, we cross exonerated. But now it should be taken the decision on the administrative side. Without that, it has been referred to that court, and I was punished.
Without referring how that judgment was passed by the GSFC.
That document I want to see whether this was actually sent to him. There might be a recording and the reason has to be there.
So no recording has been made in the order. Order
is no. Not.
Impugned order. There is no recording.
I thank my lord. When we read the brief, it was not in my mind. A judgment delivered by Justice Horace Tandon in the same matter, wherefrom I get this opportunity to get that point.
There must be reference, otherwise
yes,
how GSFC will continue the proceeding?
My lord.
No pleading is no pleading is made in the writ petition. Then file a supplementary, file a fresh writ petition.
Not necessary.
This writ petition, this pleading has to be attributed in the writ petition itself. This cannot be a statement from the bar. Firstly, secondly, my lord, these documents pertains to a confidential report that must be there. Now, whether the petitioner can have access to that has to be satisfied by him. Let him satisfy under the act that he can.
So he has challenged the impugned order. Where is the problem to go through it?
I will not know. I will be punished.
No. The fact is that he was alleged
sexual assault.
allegation of 354B. Now that pertains to section 40 and 46 of the
My lord, in this matter of the petitioner, my lord, if lordship kindly peruse the last order, my lord. Every time, my lord, the respondents are coming, my lord. They're asking for time for filing their reply, my lord. But till date, my lord, they have not filed, my lord. Kindly appreciate the date of filing and the date of order from that very day, my lord. Till date, my lord, they have not filed their reply. They have already lost their opposition. I have already forwarded a copy of the opposition.
Opposition you have,
Yes,
you have
yes.
received?
No, no, opposition. There's one.
Oh, you have received the opposition?
Yes, yes.
You have received the opposition. You did not file your reply.
No, they have not filed the opposition.
They have not filed as yet.
Let the last chance on them and date be fixed, my lord.
Who is appearing for the state?
My lord,
Who is appearing for the state?
previously, my lord.
Van Roy.
No, Mr. Tariq Siddiqui was used to appear, my lord.
TM Siddiqui.
Yes, yes.
They inform, I will fix another date. Whether they have prepared or not, I do not know.
online.
24.
Lordship, Mrs. Chandrayalam is appearing on behalf of the respondent.
Who is appearing for the petitioner?
Okay.
Okay, not today.
$25.
Okay, not today. Let's see. Both side is present?
Yes, yes. For the petitioner.
Learned Advocate General supposed to be
Online.
May I take or I will adjourn?
Your lordship kindly guided the police authority to see that because the order of the court has been totally violated. An act is contumacious act.
for that, my lord.
And then, my lord, if the court directs, my lord, to direct the
Similar
police authority, no, that I will answer. Let me complete my argument. Let me answer that.
Sorry,
No, let me answer.
What is the order, interim order?
Order is not to interfere with my possession in respect of the property.
Who is interfering?
The authority
This
is
is a writ
interfering,
matter.
claiming, yes.
Great matter.
Writ matter in
Matter.
possession.
This is not only, my lord, there are two other.
When the interim order was passed?
The interim order was passed. That has been annexed with the ওইটা দিয়েছো paragraph
By which order interim order was passed?
এটাতে can 2 এতে
22nd January 2019.
Lord 22nd January 2019.
The state will not disposes the petitioners from the land concerned except by due process of law.
Yes,
That was the order.
that was the order. Please to direct not to dispossess the petitioner from the respective brief fields. Now, my lord, acts, my lord, your lordship kindly come to the acts complained of.
Did you make any application that they have violated when they have violated?
Lord, we have stated in our application.
Where is the application?
This is the application, Can 2 of 2025, Can 2.
When you have filed this?
Yes. That recently from the month of July 2024 till
Can
today,
do, yes.
some miscreants,
Which
paragraph 4.
you are reading?
Paragraph 4. Recently from the month of July 2024 till today, some miscreants claiming to be the authorized person of Kolkata Metropolitan Development Authority and other respondent authorities are trying to create nuisance in the brick field. The said persons are threatening to break down the boundary wall of the brick field and are entering the brick field and are dumping garbage inside the brick field. Those miscreants are using filthy, abusive languages against the brick field owners. Moreover, at the time of such threatening, the said miscreants stacked some garbage in the brick field, which caused nuisance in the brick field, as well as in the surrounding locality by spreading foul smell there. By such area, the safety and security as well as possession of the petitioner in respect of the respective brick field, as well as properties of the brick field are being interfered with. Then the applicants state and contend that the said person or miscreants are frequently entering into the brick field of the petitioner's applicants herein for the purpose of dumping garbage inside the brick field and removing petitioner's machineries and other.
You are the owner of the brick fields?
Yes.
You are the owner?
Owner of the brick field. Copies of the photographs.
There are long story.
Against the
learned senior
illegal
principal
activities.
Whatever may be the long story or short story, you must comply the order of the court. That should not be violated.
We have not violated. And there are also.
Why you have not filed any objection of this?
No, therefore, when
is
they
the
are not
first time.
violated, my lord, if the direction is given to the police authority, he will not suffer. He says that I am not violating the order.
When he has-
Let it be recorded, and the police authority may be
he is
directed to
pressing
see
Can 2.
that he
Can 2
can is another thing.
Thereafter another application.
Yes,
Can
because
2.
time to time, my lord, incident has happened.
Every year. what
Therefore,
I
we
was
file an
reading,
application.
And a contempt application is pending. Their
Why
affidavits are
contempt?
exchanged by the parties.
Yes,
It is
contempt
ready
is
for hearing.
pending. No,
And
that
then-
does not mean that contempt is pending and therefore the police cannot be directed.
No, have you lodged any complaint against that before the police authority?
Yes,
Where is
police
that?
authority.
Where is that?
Yes,
Where you have annexed?
page 29. Lodge a complaint, police
22,
authority did
22,
not.
I think. Yes, 22, you have annexed the complaint lodged to the
Page
police
29.
authority.
Is it the name? Lord can another can, you lost the first can.
This Can 2 was filed in 2024, affirmed
Page
in,
21.
Page 20, start from page 22.
Lord,
and thereafter
How
another.
many petitions are here?
21.
How many?
Let us file our.
Lordship kindly come to
many
page 22.
petitioners are here?
Lordship,
How many petitioners are here?
all the petitioners,
9
the
petitioners.
petitioners, yes,
9.
yes.
9 petitioners.
Yes.
are here.
All the petitioners are the applicants here. For the purpose of compelling the to directing the
What
police
is the
authority
main matter? What
to
is
see.
what is
Lord,
the
plain
main
matter is, my lord, that so far the Brickfield is concerned, Lord, they are claiming, Lord, excess sales and royalty, which has been struck down by the Supreme Court. That declaration we claimed in the writ application. Therefore, that question is a constitutional question, my lord, required to be, because it has
is disturbing either state or any
the
private
police
individual.
authority, the state authority, my lord, state authority, that is KMDA. KMDA authority have been disturbing our possession in respect of the property, Lord, by this way, by engaging miscreants in this way, and police authority did not take any steps. We intimated the police. Lord, why they will not, my lord, carry out the order of the court when they say that I am not disobeying the court's order?
Representing the police.
Yes.
You are representing the
My lord,
police.
here, my lord, if my understanding.
Where is the problem if the order be complied?
Yes, I'm
Until and unless dispose of this case, you
challenging,
have to maintain the
challenging,
order.
challenging the closure notice issued under the provisions of Minor Minerals Act.
No,
my
no,
lord.
in due process, you can take any action. That is the order.
Yes,
But without due process, you cannot disturb him.
That's right.
that
That
we
is
have,
the order of this court
if
passed by the coordinate bench.
if your lordship has taken the can 3, if you kindly come to paragraph 6.
Maybe 5 application may file.
Yes.
If you
Yes.
violate, he will file.
There is
Every
no-
violation. he
Every
can file
time, my lord, action.
Here allegation will not do. Here the facts is in 2019 this order.
How it is relevant, my lord? Point is
no,
that you are violating. You say I am not carrying out I am not disobeying the court's order. Then what prejudice he will suffer? Lord, if the police is directed
Kindly
to
come
see
pay
that the
paragraph
order of the
6.
court is obeyed.
Paragraph 6.
Have you seen the photographs annexed by them?
I have seen.
Are you
I have
denying
seen.
that?
Yes. We'll
Are
file
you
opposition.
denying that?
This allegation is completely, if your lordship sees paragraph 6.
By this time, I will be dispossessed. Yeah, let them file.
No, you
Let
are
them
in
file.
possession. You are in possession. Still, you are in possession.
A portion
You are not
A
in
portion
possession.
already they have taken possession.
Then
Other portion I am still. I am apprehending I will be dispossessed by this time. During the during affidavit time.
the court will take care of.
No, how can it be, my lord? If the direction interim order I am praying, Lordship kindly pass an interim order directing the police authority to see that the order of this court is not disobeyed. Lord, at least that part may be given because the order of the court cannot be disobeyed. Lord, in this way, my lord, I will make arguments on this point, my lord. Your lordship knows that.
Was granted in that contempt application.
Oh, contempt application. It has nothing to do with the contempt application.
So,
Lordship, kindly
let
look
the
to the
entire
division
matter be
bench
heard.
judgment now.
Let the entire
Lordship,
matter be heard.
kindly look to the division bench judgment. Division bench judgment, Supreme Court. Division bench judgment, kindly look to this. Page 220, my lord. The division bench said that their argument was that contempt application is to be filed. Otherwise, how direction can be given to the police authority?
My lord
Lordship
needs
sees
to-
Contempt of which order?
contempt of contempt of the order,
Passed by
contempt
the Supreme Court.
contempt of the order of the city civil court. Order 39 rule 2A was not filed. Direction upon the police and the dependent to restore possession. Even no application was filed with Murari Mohan Datto and J. Chaudhary. Lordship, kindly see the judgment. It has nothing to do.
At least police can take action that no
Yes.
violation can be made.
Yes, in the meantime, yes, this may be. Let him file objection.
My lord needs to hear the facts of this case. There are writ petition initially in 2013.
I am not asking about the merit of the case. I am asking about the compliance of this court order.
Compliant, there is no violation. Then let us file our
File a
opposition.
report. You file a report whether there is violation or not.
Yes.
From our part. Let the state is also.
Let him not to, but they are to comply with the order. Police may be direct.
Please give the appearance.
Unless the entire facts comes to the.
No, the facts will definitely come, but
Yes.
there is a interim order. Interim order must be complied by everyone.
Certainly.
Then why argument? Lord, argument with regard to the merit of the writ petition.
Application is also pending.
Argument with regard to merit of the writ
I will
petition.
hear all. No
Let that contempt application be also listed.
Yes, a contempt of the other. Yes, that may come. Another application, I have been instructed him to file an application for mandatory injunction, directing him to restore it. Yes, I am coming that application.
Since 2013.
Yes, maybe. I am entitled.
So-
You cannot reap the benefit of your wrong.
So read code will decide. the
Lord, he cannot know. Supreme Court held that. He cannot reap the benefit of the wrong.
Supreme Court also said one
Okay, next.
is to
We
prove
shall
his
argue.
right.
We shall argue.
I will take care of
We
all
shall-
the applications next day.
Yes. Grateful to you, Lord.
Because we have today 3:30.
I am for the petition. But there is a private respondent.
1 minute. 1 minute, please.
Yes. Hey.
Have you intimate the respondent?
Yes, now this is the affidavit of service. Not if the private respondent may not against whom the order I am praying for.
1 minute.
Yes.
Service has not been affected. Service has not been affected.
No service long before I have started.
Insufficient address.
This address which is available from the writ petition itself, I have served. In that address, I have served. Then I am to serve again.
Yes, you have to insufficient address. You file another affidavit of service. Okay.
But page 3,
Collect the new track report and thereafter you file.
all right.
Item delivered to laborer. Okay, bulk address.
The
Not
page,
delivered to the addressee.
page 3 of the writ petition shows the name of the private respondent number 4, and the address is also there. Ashok Kumar Dotto, son of late K. Mohan Dotto, Khetra Mohan Dotto, village Shialdaga.
Code of the postal authority, how I can verify? Complete address. Definitely there is PIN number or something else is missing. Or no PIN number was given. That's
Now-
why
Now the bifurcation of the Badon district is there.
affidavit it will take some time to
Yes,
return.
yes.
Your
But affidavit of service filed by the petitioner be kept on record.
Already taken.
Yes.
this case pending.
67 also.
67 is this is also similar.
I believe yes.
Hey, this is also similar. Same order. Okay. Same order. Disposed of. Huh?
70.
Dismissed. Dismissed for default. None appears on behalf of the player. Same dismissed for default. Same dismissed for default.
I'm led by Mr. Chatterjee by paying for not this week, man.
Why?
There is no communication with the client.
Client.
Yes, Lordship.
2006 matter. Whether your client is ready to proceed with the matter? Do you have any idea about this case?
No, I don't have any.
You do not have any idea. Why? You should have some idea about the case. Refusing to renew a trade license. After 21 years, what remains?
Lordship, please, accommodate for this week.
I am keeping not today, next day ask your senior to be present.
That's Lord.
Not today. On the prayer of learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
At 74, my lord, I'm paying for only not on the accommodation, my lord. This is 2006, my lord. Whether it still it is surviving or not, my lord, the cause of action, my lord, I have to inquire about that.
Appointment of the post of assistant teacher
Yes,
of work education. Whether this case is alive?
That's why, my lord, and only one day accommodation so that, my lord, I can.
Okay, on the prayer of learned counsel.